So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. And yeah, this video is all about two types of editing. First one is golden hour and another one is shadow editing. So yeah, if you are so active on Insta then you know कि ये कितना trending चल रहा है और चल रहा था और अभी भी चल रहा है. So yeah, procedure of these two editings are kind of same. So I thought कि I show this editing in one video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Yeah, for golden hour picture, what you're gonna need is a plain white background or white or कोई भी plain background and little bit of sunlight, क्योंकि वो golden hour का effect तभी आएगा ना. So yeah, that's just it. So first click some pictures like this. मतलब you can do anything, your favorite poses, or click some pictures. These are the result, and after editing it turns to be like this. So now let's move on to the editing part. First of all, add your pic in PicSart and go to the sticker option and search golden hour, and you can choose any shadow which are going with your pic. I choose this one and then इसको spread करो. After it goes on to the blend option and click on the multiply. Then you need to decrease the opacity according to your picture like this. Yes, and yeah, your pic is almost ready. You can apply any filter from here, or you can apply filter from another app also. Yeah, this is how you can apply that golden hour shadow or that golden hour image on your picture. And for the filter, you can choose filter of your choice and according to your clothes. For me, I think you need to use yellow kind of filter to give, lighting effect. So yeah, now let's move on to shadow editing. So yes, now click some more pictures. Again, do any pose you want and click some pictures. You can go with your signature pose, and then these are the results, and after editing it turns to be like this. Now again move on to the editing part. Add your picture and go to the search option and search shadow, window shadow, then apply onto your picture. Again similarly go to the blend option and then click on the multiply. The procedure is kind of same as the previous one. Again decrease the opacity like this, and yeah, your pic is ready. If you want to add some more creativity to your pic, so you can choose more stickers. Like I add a text or a music bar because I wear headphone in this pic, so I add a music bar, like music notification like this. So yeah, my pic is ready. You can apply filter from here or from another app. Similarly, how you can add shadow effect on your picture and stickers. Now for the filter, I suggest you can go with some natural tone filter like this for your pictures. It gives you natural looks. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you like the video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you apply this filter on your images then please let me know. Share your images on my Instagram account, or if you're facing any kind of problem regarding these editing then you can DM me also. I suggest you which thing you're doing wrong. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.